Next time we play this, we will divide it into two groups. Okay? But for now, we'll just answer whoever knows the answer. We've not given this in the church before. Question. What Old Testament book names that is not of a person?
Oh, ate, star mo na.
Star.
Genesis.
Genesis.
Deuteronomy. Ano
And
pa?
what else?
Hindi lumabas. Bakit ganun? Okay.
Yeah.
Proverbs.
Proverbs.
Proverbs. Songs of Songs.
Numbers,
Kings.
Chronicles, Kings,
Songs.
Lamentation.
Lamentation.
Psalms.
Psalms.
Ecclesiastes.
Ecclesiastes. What else?
Songs of Songs.
Songs of Songs.
Leviticus.
Corinthians.
No,
Corinthians.
sa Old Testament only, brother.
That's Old Testament.
Numbers.
Deuteronomy, Judges,
Judges.
First and Second Chronicles, First and Second Kings,
Second Kings.
Kings.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So we'll proceed to the next. This time, New Testament books that is name of an ethnic group.
Philippians. Colossians.
Okay. Let's start with Philippians.
Corinthians.
Colossians.
Philippians,
Romans.
Lahat ng pinuntahan ni Paul.
Galatians, Ephesians,
Lahat ng pinuntahan ni Paul.
Galatians, Colossians, Thessalonians.
Colossians, Thessalonians,
Ephesians, Thessalonians,
Corinthians.
Corinthians, Romans.
Corinthians,
Romans.
Romans,
Hebrews.
Hebrews,
Galatians.
and Galatians.
Galatians. Yeah.
Okay. Let's try calling names.
Good. That's good. Para tahimik ang mundo.
So next time we play this, we will be playing by two groups. Then we will be calling the names.
Ay, tayo yan.
Okay. You will
So-
divide us into two groups and then you will call our name.
We will call your name, then you answer. If
From each
you're
group.
correct, then it will show. If your
Okay.
answer is wrong, then we will proceed call the next person in your group.
Oh, that's exciting.
Okay.
yeah, that's
And
nicer.
if your group get 3 wrongs, the other group to answer.
Okay.
Okay. So if you're familiar with the TV game,
Family
what's
Feud?
this? Family Feud.
Family Feud.
This is
Oo,
pattern
pang
to
senior
Family
yan eh.
Feuds.
Familiar ako, pang senior yan eh. Lahat ng TV
Okay.
ng clients namin naka-family feud.
Okay, this time we'll start with Linson is here. Okay, Linson, what animal Isaiah saw in a vision in the
Ako na
new
lang.
earth?
Huwag mo na, siya kasi, siya pa eh.
Okay, that's a bonus. Jenny, are you listening?
Yes, he's here.
Or Bob? Bob, what animals
I
Isaiah
will
saw
say
in the vision?
giraffe.
Giraffe.
Walang giraffe po yan, Bob.
is wrong.
May answer si Linson, lion.
So lion, Linson is a lion. Okay.
Yeah. The lion and bear will fail.
Lion is correct.
Sa animals na nasa Isaiah,
What
swine.
chicken ha?
Swine! Lahat ng animal, big baboy?
Yung baboy, pig, oh my
Sorry,
God.
that's wrong.
Walang baboy sa langit. Joke.
Okay, what about
Ay, sa
Wait.
langit pala yung ano, hindi ba?
Oo, in the new earth.
New Earth?
Sa New Earth.
The leopard.
Yung ano, yung mga,
Okay.
ang nandun nakasulat yung ano.
Maylin,
yung
Maylin.
Leopard.
leopard,
Leopard.
mga ganon.
Yeah.
Leopard is
Tapos,
correct.
di ba may
What
snake?
about star?
Snake.
Bear.
You've seen a bear. A bear is correct. Who else? Pastor Theody.
Is there a ship?
A sheep?
Wala.
Is there a sheep? A sheep is also called lamb.
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 Okay. We have two more. Who else haven't get an answer?
May.
Ako?
Yeah,
Goat.
a goat.
The leopard and goat
A
will
goat
graze.
is wrong.
Yeah, meron ko yan.
Brother,
Meron.
Godwin.
Yeah, that's in the
Ayan,
song I'm singing. The leopard and goat will graze. The lion will feed on straw.
Linson
They will
said
know.
cow or ox.
Yung
Yeah.
snake, Brother Godwin, snake.
Goat. Goat.
Snake or asp?
Cow or ox.
Yeah, snake kasi may yun magano yung mga bata doon sa yung mga snake.
Yeah, yung hand niya. And number one, what is the number one?
Cobra. Lion. Oh, meron na.
Lion.
Andali,
Di ba binasa din
With the
natin
W.
yung Isaiah pero
Viper.
kalimutan natin.
Yung cobra, viper.
Wolf.
Yeah, it's number 5. Asp or snake or
Ay,
bear.
ano ba
The last question.
Linson said wolf.
Wolf.
Wolf
Oh,
is
wow.
correct. Is there?
Meron sa
Okay.
kanta, and then sinerch ko, the leopard shall lie down with the young goat.
Yeah, meron
Oh.
both, brother.
Oh,
Good.
okay. Thank you. I will add that. Sorry, missed that.
That's
Okay,
my
this
favorite
time.
song.
The question is, to whom did an angel go?
Ako mauna.
Angel of the Lord and spoke
Angel of the
or
Lord
talked
spoke.
to.
Ako mauna.
Anong
Okay.
yan?
Ako mauna.
Yes, go ahead.
Jacob. Jacob.
Jacob
Ah,
is correct.
ako, mahuli, Moses.
Moses. Did the Lord speak, or an angel of the Lord
Diba?
speak to Moses?
Ako na naman ang
Daniel.
susunod.
O si
Daniel.
Pastor Judy. Daniel lang
Daniel.
sabi ni Pastor Judy.
Ako na naman ang susunod.
Mary.
Okay, Bing.
The angel spoke to Mary.
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 Bing, make to Mary. Okay, by the way, this question is only for
All.
men.
Oh, okay.
Women is not
for
included.
men. Oh, not.
Oh,
Okay.
So,
Okay.
Abraham.
Abraham is correct.
Okay, sino na?
Daniel.
Jacob, Abraham.
Daniel, no.
Vision.
Oh.
Ako na?
Okay, Brother Bob.
Nebuchadnezzar.
Nebuchadnezzar is not on my list.
Ako? Try ko.
Linson type Gideon.
Linson is Gideon. That is correct.
Ako na?
Yes.
I will try. Paul or Saul. On his way to...
Paul or Saul.
It's
He got
Jesus.
blind.
I think they said mentioned there's the Lord talked to.
It's Jesus.
Angel of the Lord. Angel of the Lord.
It's the angel of the Lord.
Ako na naman.
Go ahead.
Si Lot.
Lot. Yeah, that's correct, but it's not on my list.
Brother
Joseph.
Godwin.
Yes.
Joseph.
Si
John.
Abraham.
John is correct.
Peter.
Joseph.
Peter.
Peter is
Abraham.
correct.
Joseph.
Joseph.
Really?
Okay.
Moses. It's a
Sorry,
dream.
it's not on my list.
It's a dream.
The Bible is
by
really
Moses,
the verse. It says the angel of the Lord talk or speak to.
Hagar. When he... When-
Lalaki lang may.
Lalaki
Oh,
daw.
lalaki
Wala
lang.
babae muna.
Oh, okay.
Remember a story where he's riding on a donkey?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Who's that?
Balam.
Balam? Balaam?
Balaam.
Balaam.
Okay, the verse is really mentioned in the Bible as the angel of the Lord spoke to Balaam or to this
Sino pa ba?
person.
Mhm.
Prophets, one of a major prophet.
Prophet.
Jeremiah.
Ezekiel?
Isaiah.
Ezekiel.
No.
And the angel speak to
Minor prophet,
Isaiah.
Jonah. Ano?
Right? Isaiah, because that he
Major prophet.
gave Tom
Is it not Jonah?
to have a call.
Well,
Jeremiah.
John was visited in prison. Bakit wala kanina yung sagot ko? Paul
Ang
pala
wala
yung
sa
sinabi
pinakalas.
ko. Yeah, Paul pala yung
Number 10.
sinabi ko.
What about something related to the birth of Jesus?
Yeah, Mary.
Micah.
Joseph. Oh, Zacharias.
Yeah.
Zachariah, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, I pressed the wrong key.
Sino pa ba? Elisha.
Zachariah.
Oh, what is...
Bakit walang Moses?
Manoah. Sabi ni Brother Linson.
Manoah is also correct.
So the parents of Samson too, Samson, Manoah, the other one,
Yeah.
Samuel, Han. Babae, Hana.
I
Whom
believe
did
I will
God
be with
say?
you.
Jeremiah.
I will
Jeremiah.
be with you.
Jeremiah.
Jeremiah?
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
I did not find that.
Ano yun?
Yeah.
For my sin, I am, here I am, Isaiah.
Moses.
Moses, yeah, I found that.
Ano yun? Ano yung ulit ang tanong?
I will
Abraham.
be with you.
This,
Abraham.
God
Joshua.
said,
Abraham.
I will be with you, or I will be with thee.
Joshua.
Abraham.
Joshua is correct.
Abraham.
John.
Abraham? Sorry, Bob.
Yeah.
It's wrong.
Not doing good today.
Zephaniah.
No. It's also
John.
I
wrong.
will be with
Jonah.
you.
Ezra. Ezra.
These are all guys or men.
Noah. Noah.
Noah is wrong.
Jonah.
No.
Israel. Or Jacob.
Jacob
Yeah.
is correct. Genesis 31:3.
Who else? Joshua.
Joshua
I will be
already
with you
there.
wherever you go.
Joshua is already
This
given.
one's already there.
How
What
about
about-
Nehemiah? Because Nehemiah and Israel, they are God.
How about Solomon or David?
David is
David,
correct.
Psalms, yeah. David, Kings.
Yeah.
How about Solomon? Hindi ba
Solomon? No.
Haggai.
A guy named start with a G. It's not Goodwin though. Start with a G.
Gideon.
Gideon.
Start with letter what?
Pwedeng New Testament?
Old Testament. In Genesis.
Oh, Abraham.
Adam.
Family of Abraham, but not Abraham.
Oh,
Adam.
Isaac? No.
Isaac.
Isaac.
Isaac is the first answer. Genesis 26:3.
oh.
In my research, these are the people with says God said, I will
I
be
will
with
be
you,
with you.
or I will be with thee. Maybe in some
Sa disciples
Versions.
din, I will be with you to the ends of the world.
yeah.
Kailan specify?
Congratulations to Blue Team.
Congratulations to Blue Team.
Sino
You
pa?
won.
Blue.
Wala na ba? Isa pa.
Diba?
Isa pa.
Okay na, next time na naman para mais
Okay.
ano.
So next time, if you want this kind of game, we will divide the team into two.
Yeah,
and we
that's
will
next.
just call the names. Para
Okay.
let's see.
Mhm.
Okay, so thank you very much. That ends
Thank you
the
very
game.
much.
Okay. Ang sabi ni Linson, your Your prize is Bluetooth device.
Yes, because it's a blue team.